Begin by sketching your shark design on a cardboard box. Draw both a top view and a side profile. Only half of the side profile is needed. Using your K5 heavy-duty knife, a self-healing cutting mat, and a ruler, carefully cut out both the top and side profile sketches. With your hot glue gun, attach the top view cutout to the side profile by aligning them at the center. This will serve as the framework for your shark. Next, cut out several strips of cardboard using your ruler and craft knife. These will form the 3D structure of the shark. Take a strip and line up one edge with the edge of the top view cutout. Then bend and attach it to match the curve of the side profile. Trim to size. Repeat this step all around the shark's shape. Use hot glue to secure each strip in place as you go. Once the full shape is complete, fill the inside with scrap paper to give it structure. Cover the entire shark with masking tape. For the fins, stuff them slightly with extra scrap paper and secure them in place with tape as well. Now, prepare a paper mache mix using equal parts glue and water, 1:1 ratio. Using a brush, apply the glue mixture to the shark sculpture. Layer tissue paper on top, brushing over it to stick it down. Continue layering until the entire sculpture is covered. Let the sculpture dry completely. Once dry, it's time to paint. Choose any color you like. For this shark, I'm going with a blend of light gray and black. Add final details, like gills and shading, to bring your shark to life. And that's it. You now have your very own DIY paper mache shark wall decor. Like and subscribe for DIY inspiration and crafting ideas.